Welcome to a deep dive into Outlines, a framework designed to bring structure and reliability to the outputs of large language models. In today's world, we often rely on language models for everything from customer support tickets to product categorization, but the problem is that these models produce free-form text that can be unpredictable and hard to parse. Outlines tackles this by guaranteeing that the model's output matches a specified structure from the moment it starts generating text. What is Outlines? Outlines is a library that lets developers specify the exact shape of the data they want the language model to generate. Think of it as a contract. You declare a data type, whether it's a simple yes/no answer, a number, or a complex JSON structure, and Outlines ensures that every token produced by the model adheres to that contract. This eliminates the need for post-processing with regex or fragile parsing logic. Key benefits: model agnostic, works with OpenAI, Hugging Face transformers, VLLM, Allama, and more. 0% overhead. The model outputs valid JSON, Pydantic models, or any Python type you choose. Easy integration. A single line of code to pass the desired output type. Provider independence. Switch backends without changing your code. How it works: Outlines leverages Python's type system. You specify a type, such as int, literal yes, no, or a custom Pydantic model. Internally, the library constructs a prompt that guides the model to produce text that conforms to the type. For example, if you ask the model to return an int, it will only emit a number. If you ask for a literal positive, negative, neutral, the model will choose one of those words. For a complex object, you define a Pydantic model with fields. The model's output must match that schema, so you get a reliable dictionary or daticless. Because the output is structurally guaranteed, downstream systems can safely consume it without custom parsing code. Quick start. 1. Install the library with pip install Outlines. 2. Choose your model, either an OpenAI endpoint or a local Hugging Face model. 3. Call the model using model prompt. Output type, example, sentiment equals model analyze. This product completely changed my life. Literal positive, negative, neutral. That single line will give you a string guaranteed to be one of the three options. Real-world use cases. 1. Customer support triage. An email is turned into a structured ticket with priority, category, and a flag indicating whether a manager should be alerted. The system can route urgent tickets automatically. 2. E-commerce product categorization. Product descriptions are parsed into a hierarchy of categories, attributes, and optional brand matches, allowing inventory systems to update categorization in batch. 3. Event parsing. Unstructured event notes are reduced to a reliable event object, complete with name, date, location, type, topics, and registration requirement. If information is missing, the model can return "I don't know." 4. Document classification. Any text document is classified into legal, financial, technical, marketing, or personal correspondence, providing a quick taxonomy for content management. 5. Meeting scheduling. An informal request for a meeting is converted to structured parameters, title, date, duration, attendees, etc., which can be fed directly into Calendar API. 6. Reusable prompt templates. Ginger-style templates let you generate prompts for any task while keeping the output structured and predictable. Integration options: server-side, VLLM and Allama backends, local, Hugging Face transformers or Llama CPP API, OpenAI, Gemini, and the dottxt API for cloud hosting. Core feature highlights: multiple choices, constrain the model to choose from predefined options. Function calls, infer output schema directly from Python function signatures. JSON Pydantic, generate output that matches JSON schemas or Pydantic models. Regular expressions, ensure text follows a specific regex pattern. Context-free grammars, enforce complex, nested output structures. Additionally, Outlines supports prompt templates, custom types, and encapsulated applications, making it easy to maintain clean code-bases. Where to learn more: the official documentation covers model integrations, core features, and advanced type usage. The community on Discord and GitHub discussions provide real-world tips and bug reports. The blog at dottxt-ai explains research behind structured generation and showcases case studies. Why it matters: in production, parsing errors are costly. With Outlines, your pipeline receives guaranteed valid data, reducing bugs, speeding development, and enabling reliable automation, from ticket routing to catalog updates. By abstracting structure from the model, developers can focus on business logic instead of wrestling with noisy text. Thank you for joining this overview of Outlines. Whether you're building a chatbot, managing an e-commerce catalog, or orchestrating complex workflows, consider giving structured generation a try. Your next project could benefit from having a dependable contract between you and the language model.